right now, and she says we go tomorrow morning. So maybe say hi. Say hi.
Hi everyone. Nimesema hi. How's everything?
Yeah. Okay.
Come tomorrow morning, eh?
Tomorrow?
Tomorrow morning by 9:30.
Okay. Thank you.
All right. Thanks, eh?
Okay.
Good night.
Good night. Yeah. So guys, unfortunately, we will go tomorrow at 9:30. So also she has some issues to do with the house and everything, and it's late.
The chores.
The chores. So you see, even I had a padlock that we are going there. She said that we go tomorrow, but that is okay, and I really believe everything will be fine. I will deliver the message. Of course, the message is already delivered. Yeah. So and also we have a lot of things to talk about. The last video also we talked about. Welcome guys to today's vlog, coming live from Nyabohanse village. Yeah, of course, from where I live. That is my home over there, guys. And today I decided to do a video from here, guys. This place, amazing place. Yeah, of course we also have some amazing stones here which you can sit. We can use them as a seats here, guys. Yeah. So guys, if you're new here, this is Maja_KE, of course, and thank you so much guys for always subscribing, sharing, and also your advice is so much important to me, guys, and also your comments. Thank you so much. May God bless you abundantly. Yeah, they call me the village buga, and this is the village, and this is where I live, guys. For a few of you, maybe you have recently subscribed and you don't know, this is where I live, and this is where my parents also live, from that end. So guys, a story about this place before we begin our vlog today. This place used to be very swampy and a lot of water. The water used to come from that place and it's full until that place. We used to pass here, guys. Let me show you. So imagine this is the way that we have to pass here, but the water was really flooded until this point here. So we pass here at this bush. Imagine here we pass here, then we go around until some place down there, guys, down there. Yes, you just go this way because also here was very much flooded. So that's why you can see we make a lot of the, what is it called, okay, in our language we call it mtaro. That is in Swahili, of course. So we make a lot of water passage, like making the water to go downwards. So we have a river down there. So that's why you can see this place, they are making a place where water can pass easily, so that this place also cannot be flooded, guys, here, so that we get a good way to pass. You can see how the rains are making this road here, but right now I think it has been long since we had that experience again. I think it was very long when I was in maybe high school. Yeah, it was maybe Form 2. That is Form 2 high school. So that is when we had a lot of floods here. It was very much flooded, but right now we thank the Almighty, everything is good. We don't have the floods no more, guys. You can see the cows grazing here, and this place has a lot of grass. That's why you can't miss a cow here, or cows, a lot of cows. You can't miss them here because we have a very good we have a lot of grasses here, so they graze here. Yeah, it's very friendly to cows, this place, of course, guys. Yeah, so that's, yeah. So guys, I told you this is where I live now. I've just came in And this see how this place looks, guys. I'm really happy. And yeah, wow, wow, see how it looks like. So you can sit there, relax, and maybe I will get some money, then I add some chair here. So guys, you can see at Nasto's video, he had an idea of like putting this chair this way, yeah, this way, and then this one should be here and another one here, yeah, and another chair here, so that you can just relax sitting there. Maybe village grandpa here, village grandma here, and they have their, yeah, maybe evening tea over there. Yeah, so yes, I really like that, guys, and I'm really proud. Not that much proud, but I can't say it as proud, but happy, like that place is looking that way. So also we want to do terrazzo here. You can give me some ideas on the comment. Terrazzo here, this place was meant like for maybe people who cannot use the stairs, they can use these ones. And also here at the stairs we can also planning, maybe when I get some money, these stairs, guys, you can see how they look like because of a lot of rain. I have a lot of plans of this house, so we can put the tiles also same like these ones here. We finish up with this place, then the stairs, yeah, from up here, so that the place can look very beautiful. And the terrazzo here, and this, guys, you can advise me about it, what can we put here, yeah, because also me, I'm so much confused about here. So we have Pope. Yes. Come say hi and also give us advice about this place. Yeah, so as always we have Pope.
Yes, guys, welcome again to Maja's KE channel. My name is Pope Africa, and I'm so glad to be seen in this channel. It's quite an evening here in Africa, in a village called Nyabuhansi. So we are just trying to figure out this, but I think for me, this part,
See, yeah.
see this part, this part is meant for people with disabilities.
Yeah, exactly, yes.
Yeah, people with disabilities, people that cannot walk, don't have legs, people with disability actually. And this part is
Yeah.
so for me, I think
Not even also like disability,
Yeah.
but people who can, we have some people who they are maybe they have like a problem with their knees.
Yeah.
Even my aunt always comes here, guys. I don't know if you know her. The last time we were at Mabera, you remember?
yeah,
Slaughtering a goat for her, so she can't climb here like
Yeah.
like the way we do.
yeah.
But now this place, maybe it will be easy for
Yeah,
her
it's
because
easy.
she just
Yeah,
walk.
just walk.
Yeah, so I was thinking of terrazzo, terrazzo, yes?
Yeah.
So I was thinking of that.
Yeah.
What do you think about
yeah,
it?
that's the best. That's the best. Yeah. When you put here the terrazzo, I say it's a good thing. Like I like the effort because see how the balcony is.
Yeah, the balcony is
It's
very
really
nice.
neat.
Yeah.
As time goes, gradually, I think this whole house will be complete, and that's our wish. And,
Yeah. Of course, and we will complete it.
Yeah.
And very soon.
Yeah.
The reason why I decided to do like things like that is because I really see my parents on Sundays.
Yeah.
They sit here. They normally,
yeah.
especially village grandma. Maybe help me, then I show you guys. She always sits here, and put her porridge or her evening tea here. So drinking from here. So I was like, hey, we can do something different, you know. So she can now sit over there, maybe lean. Yeah, let me show you guys.
It's a very
Thank you, Poppy, for helping me
Yeah.
with the camera. So she can lean here, you know, just relaxing.
Yeah.
And having coffee or evening tea over here, just drinking. You know, from this point you can see the other end.
Yeah.
Because we don't have the perimeter wall, we have some holes there. You can see someone coming from there, and you can also see someone coming from the gate. So you can just sit here, relax. And the good thing about this chair, I think we should put something also here too.
Yeah.
Put legs, like when you're leaning, or you know, this chair also you can extend it.
Oh.
Yeah, let me show you. It's yeah, you can extend it like this. Yes, I think we can also put another one up here so that it will be like you sit normally.
Yeah.
Yeah, so I think we should put something here, but this chair was just meant for, like when you sit, you're leaning,
relax.
and you relax.
Yeah.
Yeah, you relax. You can see someone from there, you can see someone from the other point, and you have your maybe coffee, evening tea, and everything from here. So and also village grandpa sitting over there. Yeah. So I'm really collecting myself so that you can get another chair like this for now village grandpa or village grandma over there. So they can sit here discussing about, you know, they wake up very early in the morning. They only rest on Sundays. So maybe on Sunday they're here resting, having tea here, talking, discussing about business, which they have. Maybe we have losses or we have whatever. So that was my idea. You guys can tell me down the comment section if this was a good idea. And this place was used to, like, it was like here. Let me show here. It was like here.
Very rough.
Very rough. So right now they can relax. Relax here. So it's a very good thing, I really believe. And yeah, even Maria, I really wake up in the morning and she's here like sitting.
Yeah. Even the breeze actually.
The breeze. Yeah. So it's very nice case. So what do you think about this? What do you think? If you finish this place, what do you think about this? And if you guys come visit here, maybe visiting me or village grandpa, you'll just relax here in the evening, having a chat, and maybe your video calls, and yeah, everything. Yeah.
And Maja, what's your plan about the wall? Will you put tiles or you paint?
No, the front balcony, the plan is to paint it, because the front one we can just paint it, but the back balcony, I think we'll put some tiles because of a lot of, you know, okay, this house, it's done like modern, you know. So the back balcony, you know, people don't forget about the things that they used to use or do. You know, the back balcony, my mother or my parents, they are used to, like, they used to use the normal jiko, we call it jiko. Yeah, so they use the back balcony to put the normal jiko and warm maybe water or cook from there. When she's from work tired, she cooks from the back balcony. And moist or
Yeah, the moisture.
moisture.
Yeah.
So it can damage
Yeah.
the
The wall if they are painted.
yeah. If
So
they are
it's
painted.
good if you put the tiles over there.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Tiles, tiles you can just wipe.
Yeah.
Yeah. So that is my main plan for this house. So, but here we have a lot of plans for here for the front balcony. So here we'll put some. Maybe we raise it, then we close it.
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah.
We close it with the grills.
Yeah.
Yeah, this place we close it, and this place also maybe we put grills up to here so that you can and also here guys also here we can do away with this and that one, this from here, and also this one, so that you can put a door here which is grilled. So if you want to sit here at night, you can be very comfortable and feel very comfortable. So village grandpa, maybe at night he can sit here, maybe watching from there, watching from every angle, like very comfortable. And I think that is the plan right now we have. And everything I do, I have to consult first my parents before we do it. But of course I have consulted them, and they told me that one is okay. So we can put a grill here, a grill there, a grill there, but that one will not be full. It will be half over there where the beautiful flower is. It will be half, and I think also here it will be half, so that it can bring a good picture of the whole house. So that is my plan, guys, and I really believe we will do it. So the whole place, the thing that I've told you, we will like do it. In the other places we will paint them like white. So we discussed, as I told you, before we make a step, we also consult our parents. So we'll paint this house white house, guys. What do you think? And this is the down balcony, and we have the upper balcony over there. Upper balcony over there also will do the same. I think of also not putting full grills, but half, until the place that you see is not like round or curved like this. So we'll put grills also there, or grills, and then everything will be well. So maybe a village grandpa and village grandma, when they decide to sit maybe down here or up there, that will be okay. So, and also we have a lot of things to do in this house. We don't have the not gutters, what are they called? Here we put some timbers like this way. So this is my responsibility to do this, because they did it all. Now it's my turn to do it. So I'm doing it slowly by slowly. And I believe we will finish, guys. And also we really need a tank of water that will give us water from like there, so that you pump water, you have shower, you have right now the shower that we have to boil the water from where I told you the kitchen balcony. but I really believe we'll do it, guys. So guys, we are moving, and I want to say thank you so much for you guys who are supporting me, subscribing, especially the people who are really willing to help people here in the village. We really appreciate the people who are like genuine and they are willing to be helped. Yeah, help them. Yeah, we really appreciate, like yeah, we really appreciate, guys. So and also want to thank, this video is supposed to be like, I want to appreciate someone who really is wanting to help in the village in terms of an organization. I don't know if it's an organization or yeah, let me show you guys so that you guys can relate from here. Yeah, so that we can know. I don't know if it's, yeah. Yes. So anyway, guys, I really want to appreciate you for everything that we are doing for this village. We really want to elevate this village to higher levels, you know. Everyone Pope is doing like farming. Yeah, we can just try and help where we can, guys. So gallery, yeah, I really appreciate everything that you do for us, guys. I'm just trying to look for it here. Yeah, so just show you before we leave. It was a comment from a subscriber, and yeah, I really want to deliver the message today. I want to deliver the message so that the person can know, and yeah, and so that you guys cannot say like I didn't deliver the message. Yeah, let me show you this, guys, so that we deliver the message. And yeah, exactly, the message is here. Yeah,
Maybe should read.
yo, okay, yeah, thank you for that, Pope. Enjoyed listening to your sister's explanation of the dynamics behind many of the issues young girls face in Africa and other countries. Poverty is definitely a key factor in this global problem, and governmental refusal to treat it seriously when they should and can afford to do so. Please share her YouTube link to get her some more support for her mission. To get some more, to get her some more support for her mission, to get some more effort for her mission, guys. So this was a message, and I'm going to deliver today, guys, so that we can get to know if we can support also whatever that was there, and get to know, yeah, if we can get some okay, support to do everything for the young ladies or girls here in our village. So guys, let's move. Yeah, so guys, we are trying to hello. Dada, imekuwa late ni kuja asubuhi ama? Oh, sawa sawa. Unajua nakupigia kwa kamera juu niliambiwa nikuje. Yeah. So, ni believe. So guys, wacha niongee kidogo. So guys, I'm trying to call my sister here, which I was delivering the message, but it's about 6:30 right now, and she says we go tomorrow morning. So maybe say hi.
Hi everyone. Nimesema hi. How's everything?
Yeah. Okay.
Come tomorrow morning, eh?
Tomorrow?
Tomorrow morning by 9:30.
Okay. Thank you.
All right. Thanks, eh?
Okay.
Good night.
Good night. Yeah. So guys, unfortunately, we will go tomorrow at 9:30. So also she has some issues to do with the house and everything, and it's late.
The chores.
The chores. So you see, even I had a padlock that we are going there. She said that we go tomorrow, but that is okay, and I really believe everything will be fine. I will deliver the message. Of course, the message is already delivered. Yeah. So and also we have a lot of things to talk about. The last video also we talked about a lot of things. We will have a greet and meet. We will have a lot of things to talk about. So we are planning about that, guys, and we really need to bring our village together and to support each other the way we do, So let me put the padlock here. Then we finish our video, guys, and we were saying, Pope, we will have greet and meet, yes? Yeah, greet and meet, and we really invite you all to come, even if you're from Nairobi, even if you can make it from the USA, the Caribbean, Jamaica, everywhere. If you can make it, guys, come, and we will be notifying you the date, the time, and everything, so that you guys can get to know when we will be having that greet and meet, and of course a journey of 1,000. She will be there, and she will be motivating a lot of ladies, and we will try and find a guy who also can do that, also motivating about the other gender, that is the men and the young men and everyone. So it's a process, but we have to do it, and we will do it in the right time before December, I think. In a few weeks, maybe 2 or 3 weeks, 2 or 3. So when we will be going to her tomorrow and talking to her, you guys will get to know the exact date that we will be having that greet and meet and talk to different genders, that is men and ladies, so that we can get to unite and educate, and the most thing is Pope was
nowadays people are now taking caring much about the female gender, but it will be so good that even male will get at least, male here in the village passes through a lot, but they can't even, feel like, who should I tell? Who should I tell so that I can listen to me? So we find that people are ending up in depression, but that would be a very good opportunity for the male gender and also female to at least interact, get, it's not about schooling every time. Anytime that schooling is not everything for me, that's what I can say, but at least you get, there are people who are very
learned,
yeah,
but they don't know about
Yeah.
the things about like gender
yeah,
and everything, so when we get to meet together
Yeah.
and we have a lot of people, you get to
discuss, interact.
discuss, like even me, I have mistakes,
Yeah,
but when we get to meet together, you can tell me, Maja has this mistake.
Yeah.
Let's tell him about this.
Yeah.
And maybe Nasto has this mistake. Let's
Yeah.
talk about it. We get to learn.
Yeah.
So you tell us if that is your mistake or.
Yeah. It's good. No one is perfect.
No one is perfect.
No one is
and
perfect. That's why we say that we learn from mistakes.
Yes.
So
exactly.
I'm really eager
to have that
Congress.
Congress.
Yeah. So
Exactly.
it will be so amazing. I am really eager because it will give a lot of people opportunity to express themselves and also interact. Ladies can
exactly.
get also at least, it's good to speak out what you feel like.
Yeah,
I think
what
we
you
feel,
feel.
and that will be also improving the village. Yeah.
The community.
Do you remember?
Let me tell you.
Yeah.
That will help in, like, we have a lot of people who complain, like,
Yeah.
this person doesn't help me, this
Yeah.
person doesn't help me. I'm talking in terms of YouTube. That is my own opinion.
Yeah.
And that is what I have experienced.
Yeah.
Like, this is not helping me, and you turn out to be a reactor because this person didn't help you.
Yeah.
So and people make efforts for themselves.
Sure.
So, and you want someone to help you, and you don't even meet him.
Yeah.
You meet him when he's doing maybe a video or he's going somewhere, and you want him to do a video with you, and to say, this kind of person is like akona madharau, like he's pretending,
He's
or arrogant. Yeah. So we get to know what is behind all that. No one is arrogant. I really believe no one is arrogant or trying to avoid anyone. Like, if you, like, even me or anyone else, if you want to come to his maybe home, and maybe you have been there but you don't know his program, you don't just come and say, hey bro, I want to do a video. Even me, can I come to your home and say, hey bro,
you just
do a
have
video
to,
today?
you have to call and alert someone.
Alert.
At least, hey, I'm coming and this time, are you available? When can you be available for us to meet? That's how. You see most people are blaming each other. This village is always of shenanigans, left, right, and center. But I think that Congress can make people at least know that
this is supposed to be done like this.
And this is the right way.
Exactly.
And this is not the right way. So it's going to be amazing, guys. So keep on watching. Watch.
If we do it, guys, come at large number, so that we can get to know what the problem is in our village. And also, the other thing was, like, we really need to make efforts not to, like, compare yourself with anyone at all. Just make your own effort. You never know tomorrow.
Comparison is one of the first step of being a failure.
Exactly.
Because
Don't compare
the
yourself
moment you
with
start
anyone.
comparing yourself with someone, first, that person you're comparing yourself with, that person has already elevated more than you.
Exactly.
That's the fact. You can't compare yourself with someone who is lower than you. You always
Exactly.
see? So it's good that we'll come together, like, let's all social. This village is like, people are now getting, like, I really don't know how to put it, but most of the sagas are now coming from this village, and that congress will be part of bringing people together, at least to share and at least express themselves. And maybe for those people that maybe they have overlapped each other will get also to
don't get bitter with life. Like, just live life normally, do your own things. And I really believe, I think you will tell me, Pope, okay, I'm not talking in a bad way, you guys don't come for me. If you see okay, for us, like for me, like for you, Nasto, everyone that is doing a like a genuine vlog, we have never collided. But for reactors, tell me, the reactors here in
always
Nyabuan,
collide.
are they together?
No.
Are they together?
No. That means that the negative people don't come together. Like, they can't stay together for a long time. Maybe for 1-2 days, then people are now partying. You know?
Exactly. You tell me, you guys, you watch us, and you can tell us who is a positive, like, content creator in our village that has parted ways with a positive content reactor. And also tell us a negative reactor who has parted with
almost all of them. Almost all of them.
Yes. So guys, it's getting dark, and our mission now is done. You see, I had my jacket here. We were going there, but anyway guys, we are now this mission is
it will be accomplished tomorrow.
Yeah, of course. And I want to say thank you so much. Kindly subscribe to Pope Africa and tell him to upload more videos. Like, we were to quit, but we are back.
Sure.
Yeah.
You know, I felt that, like, there's a time I felt like, should I give up? But, you know,
we never give up.
We never give up.
We never give up. And that comes from me, because I'm the person who wanted to give up, but now we are here. And we are going to do it
back like we never left. You're going to have some amazing things, guys. So kindly subscribe. If you haven't subscribed to Maja, kindly subscribe to Maja_KE. And also tell your friend to subscribe.
And
to tell a neighbor. Friend. Sure, guys. That's the only way you can support us. And also don't forget Pope Africa. Amazing vlog about this village. Kindly, guys, hit the notification bell so that whenever
and like
so that at least whenever we upload, you'll be the first one to watch these amazing videos. And also don't forget to comment, guys. Don't.
Peace and love and positive vibes. Always. Peace and love and positive vibes.
Always.
And I really love the fact that people are very, like, not selfless. Like, big up to you, Cecile. You're doing amazing. God bless you abundantly. Peace and love. Until our next video tomorrow, guys, don't miss the video. We will meet you there.